to me again. What am I doing? I'm going to try to sharpen this with this thing I bought. It's a chisel bevel guide, I think. Yeah, so I don't remember how this goes. Oh yeah, it goes like this. How does this work again? Don't know. I don't remember. Or does it go this way? I think this is to hold a wider chisel, and this is to hold a smaller chisel. So it goes in like so. I think it goes like that. Yeah, okay. I think it goes like that, and then you like this. There we go. That might work. Of course, I got to make sure the bevels. Yeah. Got to make sure the angle is proper with the dangle. Proper angle would be good. There we go. Do I know what I'm doing? Probably not. Whee! It appears to be doing nothing. And, yeah, it's just like. Is this thing clean? Maybe clean this damn thing. See? There's dirt all over it. Let me go see if I have another file somewhere. I think I bought the, what do you call it? The sharpener, but I don't have a stone. I'm not using oil. I don't feel like it. It's too late to use oil. There we go. Is this thing flat? Yeah, it's flat. Okay, yeah, it's all a little whack. Probably should use a coarser one first. Toot the corset. Here we go. There we go. Is it level? Don't think so. There. Whee! Let's see this. Hold this up a little here. I don't think this thing is flat. Yeah, let's see. Gotta get it. Yeah, I don't think I have it set right. I'm probably doing this wrong. Let's see. It's probably supposed to be like that. So let's say, yeah, that's. Yeah, it would help. Alrighty, let's see. Yeah, looks like it's doing a good job. Yep. That's doing a little better. I'd show you what I'm doing, but somebody will probably comment and be like, oh, you're doing a terrible job. So, at least I know with this I can take the chip marks off. Because a lot of my chisels have chips in them. And, oh yeah, this is working beautiful. Of course, I'm using the coarse one right now first. Yep, it's working. What is stuck to my finger? It's paint. Tried paint stuck to my finger. I don't know about you folks, this thing is pretty cool. It is slowly, I mean, don't get me wrong, I think it's coming loose. So now I gotta reset this thing again. So this should be like that. And then tighten the heck out of this thing. Alright, there we go. That should work. It's on there perfectly, somewhat flat. Like this now. Well, isn't that cool?
I can see this working really well.
All this work just to scrape paint off a cheap sign. I'm doing coarse so I can get it down, then I'm going to find one after. Alrighty, that's a hell of a lot better. It's already. Look at this. Yeah, there's a little bend marks in there.
There we go. Take a little. Gotta watch I don't stab myself this thing.
Hell yeah, this is working really good. I'm grinding it off to get the chip out of there. Yep, it's working. It's nice and it's getting sharper. I mean, it could be a lot sharper. I could have put oil on this and the chip is almost out of there. Yep. Sweet, just a little more to go. Yeah, a little bit more and the chip will be gone. Sweet, you almost don't notice it. Almost not noticeable. Oh, there we go. It's a little bit still there. It's that tiny, tiny little chip in there still. I want it gone. Almost. Still got a little chippy in there too. Yep. Just a minute amount. Slowly she will rot. There we go. Well, looks like it's getting there. I might have not got the angle perfect, but sure I could have oiled it too. Oil sure works, but you know what? I'm pretty sure I didn't get the angle perfect. That's why it's not. Maybe a little bit steeper. Oh yeah, just a minor, like real tiny amount of thing left there. I feel like I'm going to chop my finger off next. This is by far a lot sharper than it was before. My English finger is all rusty. It's got some rust on it. So anyway, we'll continue doing this. I'll high speed the video, don't worry. Couple of nanometers left. There we go. You can just get a little bit of like little bump in there. Oh yeah, much better. There's still a minute thing there, but you know what? For what I'm doing, it's not going to matter. Let me just take that side off a little here. There's a little bit of play in it still. I'd love to run this on a belt sander. There we go. It's almost like you can't even see it anymore. Alright. Let's try smooth now. Yeah, I'm using a wire brush to get this off here, but I don't have a... Well, for one thing, it's not perfect, but it's a heck of a lot better than before. And honestly, I haven't reviewed this tool, this Sharp Pebble Chisel Guide, but hey, I'm impressed. It's pretty cool. There's no way I'd be able to do this by hand. I'm that hopeless. Put it back in the box here. Put that back in the box. I don't know what the wrench is for. But anyway, we'll get back to the regularly scheduled program. So anyway, if you seen this before online, it's actually pretty good. I'd recommend it. I'm gonna go back to my other video now and finish what I was doing. So if you like this, stay tuned and keep watching. You'll see what check my other videos and see what I'm doing with this. Thanks for watching. Doodles.